Please focus on this area. So your camera shy, you can stay back. But we do want to get this on tape. And Frangina? Yes. Could I just introduce you? And everybody, one more announcement. This is Frangina from the Arts. I'm just getting this. In the next few months, she has some flyers. Would you like to say a couple words about that?
Yeah, I'm just going to go real briefly. I'm not going to talk about it. We're doing one of the trips that we're getting ready to do is going to be May 18th, and we're going to do a fire festival. So it's also going to be like a jazz festival over there. And that's going to be from May 18th to the 25th. I'm going to leave these on the table here if you're interested. And any information, it'll be on here. We're doing another trip called For the Arts. We do a lot of trips inclusive of artistic history and art culture.
That's for everybody.
So we're going to do international art
We have 2 hours. 2 hours and 23 minutes. Thank you.
Oh, that should be plenty then.
And then we're also doing a GLBT
No.
trip to Cuba as well. And that's strictly all BLBT. So, but you know, that are not uncomfortable and more than welcome to come on. GLBT. Okay, so I'm going to leave this information here, and also there'll be some flyers next week upstairs on the table where the books are. And anybody that's interested in going, all the information will be here, and also the website that you can go to. Okay? Thank you.
There are more chairs scattered around, so please make yourself comfortable. I also want to let you know that I'm taking my wig down, and all my groups are arts focused. There are people here who are going. In any case, that's April 17th to 27th to Havana, Holguin, and Nevada, and to Santiago. So if you're interested, please see me.
Ready to start?
Hello, everyone. I'm really happy that people are here tonight. I hope you really enjoyed the film. We do have 2 of the experts on both of these issues, which are, of course, completely connected. The Afro-Cuban religion and the music of Cuba. So we're going to first hear from Ofunchi Obakoso, who is a Babalao from Cuba, who lives here now and has spent a lot of the last year traveling. The last year was the United Nations Year of Afro-Descendientes, of people descended from Africa, and there's been a lot of conferences and events to really put light on the culture and the conditions of people, African-descended people in diaspora, and Ofunchi Obakoso has been a very important part of all of these events that have been going on, and also is here for us. So he's going to speak about the film Alaba, and we have my dance teacher, our dance teacher, and really the Encyclopedia of Cuban Music is right here, named Thompson, who many people know and most of us know, if not all of us. So, he really is, I mean, we know him dancing, but we also know, and he starts to talk about Cuban music and Afro-Cuban music is profound. And of course, what Renee has to give us and what Ofunchi Obakoso has to give us are absolutely woven together, are absolutely part and parcel of what has, of the great blessing and the gifts of Cuban religion, culture, music that have come to us. So please enjoy. They're going to speak first, and we're going to have, we're going to have questions as well. So enjoy. Have something to eat or drink if you like. Otherwise, there are more chairs here. If there's, so please, please do come in and take a chair. There's some more chairs there. So get a chair and make yourself comfortable.
There they go, yes.
What,
Oh dear.
It's right here. The chair. Yeah, sí, sí.
Oh my God.
Chiri,
Ya ves, yo tengo memoria.
Esteban.
Yo sé que tú no tenés.
¿qué hacía? Vamos acá.
¿De dónde nos
Siéntese. Chiri, vamos acá. Maestro, ven aquí, venga.
Es que yo tengo buena memoria, no te preocupes.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Aldo Ramos. Yo soy mexicano. ¿Cómo te ha ido?
Conocemos de viejo.
Claro. Más sabe el diablo por viejo que por diablo. Oh, we've met many years.
Ya. Creo que lo primero que siempre hago cuando estoy reunido en familia
The first thing that I do when I'm united in family
es agradecerle a los ancestros por darnos la oportunidad de nosotros estar aquí.
is thank the ancestors for giving us the opportunity to be here together.
Siempre recordando que todos y todas venimos de África.
Always remembering that all of us, him, her, all of us, come from Africa.
Y esos documentales que ustedes terminan de ver
And those documentaries that we just witnessed
lo demuestran.
shows this fact.
Lo demuestra de muchas maneras.
Shows it in many ways.
Y me agrada y me siento súper contento, feliz,
And it pleases me and makes me very happy
de que los tambores,
that the drums,
nuestro corazón,
our heart,
me toque.
the first
Con los tambores de esos documentales,
the drums in those documentaries,
René, que fue testigo de la mayoría de esas personas que vieron en ese documental,
Rene, who was a witness to many of the people that you just saw in that documentary,
que hoy están en el mundo ancestral, ya
today participate in the ancestral world,
están junto a nosotros.
are now with us right here.
Entonces, creo que la charla, en medio de debate, pienso que debemos reflexionar e intercambiar como familia,
So part of this talk, I'd like to be an exchange as if we were in family,
teniendo en cuenta que santería en Cuba, como el candomblé en Brasil,
keeping in mind, clear, that Santería in Cuba, like Candomblé in Brazil,
es un proceso sincrético que es muy importante entender.
is a syncretic process that's very important to understand and to grasp.
Por ejemplo,
For example,
escucharon en a la par anécdotas combinadas entre Yemayá y la Virgen de Regla.
For example, you heard in Alabá anecdotes that combine Yemayá with the Virgin of Regla.
Hubo un momento que mencionaron Shango en África, Shango con Santa Bárbara.
There was a moment where likely you heard the mention of Shango mixed or combined with Santa Bárbara.
Cobayende o Asojano o Abaluayé con San Lázaro.
Also saw Babaluaye, Asojano combined with St. Lazarus.
Por tanto, estamos presentes de sincretismo.
So we're conscious and we're aware of the syncretism that was presented in the documentary.
Entonces, entendiendo eso, podemos entonces entender el fenómeno que acontece en Cuba.
When we understand that, we understand the phenomenon that occurs in Cuba.
Y podemos extenderlo incluso hacia las Américas,
And we can extend it throughout all of the Americas,
sin dejar de tener en cuenta la base histórica que tiene que ver con África.
keeping in mind the historical base that originates in Africa.
Yo no voy a, pienso que es una antesala para nosotros crear un ambiente rico, saludable, para que después ustedes puedan hacer las preguntas que quieran.
I'd like to create an environment and propose some themes, and then that you can ask me the questions that come to you.
Por ejemplo, y Ifá o Orunmila sincretiza con San Francisco de Asís.
For example, Ifa or Urmila syncretizes with the Saint of Assis.
¿Qué hay que
Saint Francis
entender?
of Assisi.
Que estamos en el siglo XXI
But we're in the 21st century.
y que es tiempo de empezar a separar esa sincretización impuesta que tiene que ver con la esclavitud.
And I argue that being in the 21st century, it is time that we begin to separate that syncretism that was actually imposed on us because of slavery.
Lo que les quiero decir es,
But I want to say and make clear,
Shango,
Shango,
tercer alafín de Oyo,
third Alafina Boyo,
rey,
king,
donde en África se venera,
where in Africa he is venerated,
es respetado en el mundo entero,
and respected throughout the world,
y Santa Bárbara,
and Santa Barbara,
mujer
woman,
que por introducirse al cristianismo
whose introduction into Christianity
fue mandada a matar,
was sent to be killed.
según la historia, su propio padre
According to the story, her own father
la ejecuta
executes her.
y cae un trueno en esa montaña.
And on that mountaintop where this occurs, a thunderbolt strikes.
O sea, estamos hablando de una mujer y estamos hablando de un negro que es Shango, hombre venerado en África, específicamente en Oyo o en la cultura o tierra yoruba.
We're talking about two things. We're talking about one woman who is who becomes a saint, and we are talking about a male, a black male of Africa who is venerated. These two in very different ways. They're both venerated in very different ways,
¿Qué es la belleza del documental?
which is the beauty of the documentary.
Desde mi punto de vista, es un documental donde las personas expresan esa experiencia vivida
In the documentary, individuals really express their own personal biographical stories
que el mundo exterior desconoce,
that much of the outside world is unaware of.
que el mundo exterior lo ve de manera manipulativa, como todo lo que tenga que ver con santería, todo lo que tenga que ver con el culto sincrético es malo. Brujería es esto, es todo lo malo.
The outside world that puts the eye on a lot of this religion and santeria as something evil or something negative. So this documentary presents a different side of those life histories of the participants.
Cuando no es así.
When it is not a bad thing.
Pensar así, reitero, es una manera racista, eurocentrista,
I reiterate that the negative connotations of santeria are Eurocentric and racist.
que minimiza la historia real de lo que ha acontecido en América.
This perspective minimizes the very real
Específicamente en
stories
Cuba.
of those events that occurred in the Americas, particularly in Cuba.
Por tanto, la santería es producto de un fenómeno de cimarronaje,
Santeria is a product of the runaway slaves
para poder llegar donde estamos hoy.
to be able to arrive to where we are today.
Voy a terminar, a pasarle la palabra a mi colega.
I want to pass the word or the verb on to René.
Como decía es Nicolás Guillén, ¿no? Aquel que no tiene de Congo, tiene de Carabalí.
And in the words of Nicolás Guillén, he who does not have from Congo has from Carabalí. Congo and Carabalí are tribes, African tribes that surround
Muchas
the
gracias.
diaspora. Thank you very much.
But can we ask you questions after he speaks, or can we ask questions?
¿Cuándo te puede hacer preguntas? ¿Después que hable René o en este momento?
Me gustaría, después que hable René, porque los dos documentales están conectados, hay una conexión entre los dos documentales, entonces me
I would
gustaría al
like to wait
final...
for after that
Sure.
René speak first because
No hay
both
problema.
documentaries
Claro,
are
Yo entiendo,
connected.
porque pensé que él iba a hablar más de
Si
baile.
la
y
casa,
usted de religión.
ustedes son los que mandan.
But you guys are the ones that run this show.
Okay, gracias
Claro.
gracias por invitarme a estar acá esta noche.
Thank you for inviting me to be here this evening.
Yo voy a hablar un poco, no, es mejor, her English is better than mine. So. She's beautiful. So
Editor's note. Okay.
Yo voy a hablar un poco de música y de baile después porque tuve la oportunidad de trabajar con algunos de los músicos.
I'm going to talk about music and I'm also going to talk about dance because I did have the opportunity to experience and work with some of those musicians firsthand.
And they have the...
Y tuve la...
No, pero quiero hablar también un poco del primer documental.
Pero también quiero hacer referencia. I also want to make reference to the first documentary. ¿Sí? ¿Sí? What happened?
Porque soy cubano,
Because I'm Cuban,
negro,
black,
en Santero.
and a santero.
Yeah. Soy
Which
hijo de...
position?
¿Ah?
Which one?
Which
All of
ones?
them.
¿Qué posiciones? Todos.
Which ones were you dancing?
Which ones?
Oh, espera. Hold on a second.
Rebobina. Rewind.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Come back.
Ok, pues volviendo al primer documental, tuve dos personas que me dijeron que no entendían mucho que había pasado en el primer documental y
I had
que
two people comment to me that they didn't clearly understand what had occurred in the first documentary.
said that la fotografía fue bonita,
They said the photographs, the images were very pretty, very beautiful.
pero no entendían por qué las personas mayores estaban hablando de la santería.
But they didn't understand why the elders were speaking about Santeria.
Y yo les voy a explicar un poco por qué.
And I want to add some explanation towards that,
Es muy importante.
which is very important.
Ya, la santería o la religión llega a Cuba, como todos vieron en el documental, y como todos saben, o si no lo saben, se enteran ahora, a través de los esclavos.
The Santeria and the religion arrives to Cuba, if you didn't know before or you didn't catch it in the documentary, through slavery.
Pero no todos creían en la santería.
But not everybody believed in Santeria or had faith in Santeria.
Ya. Una de las personas en el documental dijo que sin fe, que la fe movía a todo el mundo, que sin fe no se podía hacer nada.
One of the characters in the documentary makes clear that faith is what moves the world, and without faith, we are nothing.
Y los cubanos empezamos a buscar algo en qué creer.
And as Cubans, we began searching for something in which to believe in.
No teníamos ni la menor idea de por qué, siendo seres humanos como los demás,
We
el
didn't know
blanco,
why. Being human beings, just like everybody else, the white,
el blanco tenía que matar al negro y matar al negro y que el negro no tenía las posibilidades.
we didn't understand the racial privilege, why the whites were able to mistreat the blacks or even kill the blacks, or why they had privileges that the blacks did not.
Entonces el blanco iba a la iglesia y se apoyaba en Dios.
And the white man went to church and rested himself on God,
Que le diera fuerza para matar al negro y esclavizar al negro.
so that God may give him the strength to enslave the black man, hurt the black man, kill the black man.
We have to go somewhere and believe in something and get some faith.
So we had... ¿Tuvimos que ir a algún lugar? ¿Tuvimos que ir a algún lugar en donde poner la fe? You did, you said it in English. So we had to go somewhere, we had to find a place in which we could put our faith. Find a process, find a way.
Para que nos diera la fuerza de luchar en contra de eso.
So it would give us the strength to be able to fight against that and to counteract that.
Pero el cubano, una de las características del cubano criollo
One of the characteristics of the Creole Cuban
es que nos gusta ver para creer.
is we like to see in order to believe.
¿Okay? Y eso fue lo que estaban esas personas mayores explicando en la película.
And that's what those elders were explaining in the film.
¿Por qué llegaron a creer en la religión? ¿Por qué llegaron a amar tanto a esos orichas, a esos santos?
They're explaining why and how they came to have so much love for those orishas and for those saints.
¿Y por qué para ellos existe?
And why for them they exist.
Existe. En mi caso personal,
In my personal case,
me pasó lo mismo.
I had a similar experience.
Ya, soy hijo de un negro
I am the son of a black man
y de una mujer blanca.
and a white woman.
Antes de 1960,
Before 1960,
en Cuba era como era grave, era como una maldición, un curse.
Before 1960, it was a very grave situation that I was in, to be the son of a black man and a white woman.
Entonces, cuando estaba pequeño, jovencito, me enfermé.
When I was young, I became very ill, very sick.
Mi familia por parte de madre, blanca,
And my mother's side of the family, white side of the family,
me llevaron al médico.
took me to the doctor.
No tenía nada,
I didn't have anything.
pero tenía fiebre, no comía,
I wasn't eating,
vómitos,
I had a fever, I was vomiting.
muchos chequeos médicos, nada.
After much revision, medical revision and checks, they didn't find anything.
Mi abuela que había sido una nena esclava,
My grandmother, who had been a slave and was also had been placed into prostitution,
que creía en esta religión, que tenía esos santos, tenía hecho.
who had the saint maid and believed in this religion of Santeria.
Digo, bueno, ya ustedes terminaron, ahora nos toca a nosotros.
She said, okay, well, now that you've finished with all your checks and your tests, now it's our turn to diagnose it.
Y me llevaron a una casa de santos.
And I was taken to a house of santo.
39 años después,
39 years later,
I'm here. Y me dice, nunca fui al médico, nunca me iniciaron en la reunión, en la religión, me hicieron Obatalá.
I was initiated in the religion under Obatalá.
Tengo 39 años de santo.
I am 39 years in as a son of Obatalá, or as a santo, a saint. It's an initiation ceremony.
And 60 years old in my bones.
And 60 years in my bones.
Y estoy aquí.
39 of Obatalá, and here I am.
So, tengo razones más que poderosas para creer que sí existe algo.
I have more than powerful reasons to know, to believe, to have faith that something does exist.
No trato de convencer a nadie
I don't try to convince anyone
que crea en mi religión,
or convert anyone to believe in my religion,
pero me fajo para que respeten mi religión.
but I fight for my religion to be respected.
Porque yo lo tengo en mi sangre y lo viví en carne
Because
propia.
it's in my blood and I lived it through my own experience.
Por respeto a la música, ¿quieres hacer preguntas de la religión antes de que pase al baile?
Sí, señor. Un par de preguntas. ¿Las hago en español?
Está bien, eso no es en español, yo lo traduzco para
Cuando usted empezó su presentación,
When you began your
habló
presentation, you
de la santería
about Santeria
y algo de nexos con el candomblé brasileño, ¿verdad?
and some sort of nexus with the candomblé in Brazil.
Yo muchas veces pensé en religiones afroamericanas, pensé en la santería, en el candomblé y también pensé en el vudú de Haití.
Afro-diasporic religions in the Americas.
Usted no lo
Candomblé,
mencionó
Santería, and
y
the
quiero
Voodoo of Haití.
preguntarle cuál es su impresión del vudú de
I'd like to
Haití
know what is your
y
impression of the
si
Voodoo of Haití,
tiene algo que ver
and if there
también
is
con la religión
some sort of influence with respect to
¿cómo se dice, perdón? Yoruba, perdón.
with respect to the Yoruba religion.
¿Cuál es su opinión? Básicamente la pregunta tiene que ver del vudú. Si la reconoce usted como
And my point of departure is the Voodoo.
o
Do
es
you
algo
recognize
diferente.
it?
Pienso, el vudú es una religión
I believe that the Voodoo is a religion,
tradicional
traditional religion,
que proviene de Mali,
that comes from
de
Mali,
África.
Africa.
Por eso, si ustedes recuerdan, después de este gran huracán que arrasó en Haití,
If you recall this recent hurricane that destroyed Haiti,
Mali fue el primer país que acogió a sus hijos.
Mali was the
De
first
Haití.
country to offer help.
Número uno. Número dos,
First point. Second point.
no podemos olvidar que Haití fue el primer país
Haiti was, we cannot forget that Haiti was the first country.
o la primera revolución. Tenemos que recordar la revolución haitiana,
We have to remember the Haitian Revolution as the first of its kind in the Americas.
que se funda a raíz de una ceremonia dirigida por una mujer. Y doy felicitaciones también hoy a las mujeres por ser Día Internacional.
Sí, señor.
And that's correct, that the Haitian Revolution was started and founded
founded by a specific work of one woman. And let me take that opportunity to recognize all women today in the dance.
Cuando mencioné el candomblé y mencioné la santería,
And as I mentioned, candomblé and santería,
estoy seguro que los ancestros, bueno, el que mucho abarca poco aprieta, pero
I'm sure the ancestors, you know, he who takes on too much
se me
holds very little in their
pasó
hands.
el vudú.
So I didn't mention voodoo when I mentioned candomblé.
Pero también podemos mencionar
But we could also mention
que ha habido una represión histórica de toda religión tradicional que ama la tierra.
there has been a historic repression of all traditions that cherish the earth.
Desde la indígena
From the indigenous
hasta la africana, que es indígena también,
to the
vista de otra
African,
manera.
which is also indigenous but seen in a different light.
Entonces, si profundizamos en la santería,
If we look in depth into the santería,
y yo no voy a decir, o sea, santería es medicina.
and I'm not going to say, well, let me say, santería is medicine.
Santería es estabilidad.
It is stability.
Santería es sabiduría.
It is wisdom.
Santería, como las diferentes
Santería, like the different
culturas tradicionales,
traditional cultures, like the different traditional cultures,
es vida.
it is life.
Entonces, en el caso de la santería,
So in the case of santería,
el nombre viene basado que en aquel momento, estamos hablando cuando la trata de esclava,
the name itself comes from that moment. Let us remember that moment of the trade of slaves.
fue necesario
It became necessary
mezclar,
mix as in
Las
syncretize
culturas,
the
o
cultures.
sea, mezclar catolicismo, que era el poder, con las deidades o orisha africanos.
It relates to that syncretism that is mixing the culture that was the European culture, which was in power, with the traditional African culture, which was enslaved.
En el caso, y mencioné a Brasil porque ustedes saben que históricamente que tanto Brasil como Cuba fueron los últimos países que se liberaron o que escaparon, se liberaron de la esclavitud.
And I mentioned Brazil because Brazil, same as Cuba, as many of you probably know, Cuba and Brazil were the last countries to be relieved or liberated from slavery,
Ahora
to
bien,
abolish slavery.
en el caso de René,
So, good. In the case of René,
y voy a empezar a rectificarle a mi colega,
and let me speak to and about my colleague.
René es Baba Lorisha.
He is Baba Lorisha,
Baba, padre,
father, Baba.
Baba Lorisha.
Baba Lorisha.
¿Por qué? Porque es
Why?
padre de un orisha, en este caso
el orisha.
Obatalá.
Father of an Orisha, in this case Obatalá.
¿Entiendes? Entonces, es muy importante entender el proceso histórico
So it's very important to understand the
y
historic
de
process
supervivencia que tiene que ver con lo que aconteció con el vudú,
and the
Jamaica,
survival process.
En
The
Haití.
process of surviving, as we saw in the case in
el
Haití,
candomblé,
voodoo, candomblé,
pero
Brazil.
también podemos mencionar ese gran ejército de garífona
But I can go on, and I can even mention the great
que el pasado
army
año
of Garifuna.
El pasado
or
año cumplieron
Paro,
214 años
who is now turned 214 years old
de resistencia.
of resistance.
Tenemos que mencionar Mayombe, Palo
We could
Mayombe.
mention Mayombe.
¿Bien?
Pues Garífuna.
La pregunta es ¿qué es Garifuna?
Garífuna es una cultura
Garifuna is a culture
que está sentada en el litoral, o sea, Honduras, Guatemala,
which is in the area of Honduras, Guatemala,
que resistieron, o sea,
which continued the resistance
resistieron
and resisted,
y que hoy en la actualidad todavía mantienen hasta su idioma
and today even maintain their own language,
original. Bien. Independientemente de ese sincretismo agresivo,
independent
¿no?
of that aggressive syncretism, imposed syncretism.
Bien. Sí.
La última, la
Un
última.
momentico, déjame
Sí,
la
puede preguntar.
la misma pregunta que tú hiciste
Ajá.
acerca del vudú.
Sí, señor.
El vudú también tiene influencia en muchas de las manifestaciones religiosas en Cuba.
Voodoo also has influence in a lot of the religious manifestations in Cuba.
En la parte este de Cuba, todo lo que es Santiago,
On the east side
Miami,
of Cuba, everything that
Guantánamo,
is Santiago de Cuba.
hubo una gran inmigración de haitianos cuando la revolución haitiana.
There was a large migration of Haitians that came right after the Haitian Revolution.
Y como siempre, los inmigrantes se llevan consigo su religión y la cultivaron ahí.
And of course, as immigrants do, they brought with them their religion and they began to cultivate it in Cuba. as
Pero
well.
ya estaban en Cuba. Entonces había que ajustarse.
So there was adjustments that were made.
Ya estaban en Cuba con una religión Lucumí,
There was
de
already
origen
the Lucumí
Yoruba.
religion in Cuba.
Y entonces el vudú vino a tener que ajustarse a un pequeño círculo, porque ya la religión santería
And
estaba
adjustments
más-
were made due to culture contact that the Lucumí Yoruba tribes had with many of the Haitian tribes.
No es tan popular escuchar hablar de vudú o de palo mayombe
It's not as
Como-
popular to hear about Palomayombe or Voodoo in Cuba
como de la santería.
as it is to hear about
Porque
Santería.
hay un mayor número de santeros en Cuba y de gente que cree en la santería y que profesa la santería, pero también hay quien profesa el palo.
But that has to do with the large numbers of individuals that self-identify and claim to practice Santería versus Palo.
Excuse me.
or Voodoo.
Permiso, pero si seguimos profundizando en el tema del vudú,
I mean,
o
if
sea,
we keep talking about Voodoo, if you don't mind,
Bien.
el santero, cuando se está consultando, cuando se está trabajando,
the
se
Santero, when
mezcla.
it's consulting, mixes
Okay.
elements.
Ustedes vieron en el segundo documental
You
el
saw in the
cordón
second
espiritual.
documentary the spiritual cord.
¿Bien? Entonces, ahí esa persona pasa un trance tanto africano
The spiritual cord where we saw the woman get possessed,
como haitiano, que es africano,
and that experience is as much
Bien.
in Santería or in Voodoo, it's as much Africa as it is Cuban,
como puede pasar una gitana.
like it could happen to a gypsy.
¿Bien? Entonces, todo está mezclado
So we see in this an act of fusion,
en un solo concepto,
just one concept.
con una influencia yoruba porque fue un imperio.
The influence Yoruba is clear because Yoruba was an empire,
Pero tenemos que recordar
but we have to
Que-
recall that
en Cuba, como en Brasil,
in Cuba as in Brazil,
vinieron africanos de
there were Africans who came from
Mali, Zimbabue, Camerún,
Mali,
o sea,
Zimbabwe, Cameroon,
de casi todos los países.
almost all the countries,
Eso se mezcla
and that
en
became a
Cuba.
fusion.
No olvidemos también que específicamente en Nigeria,
Let's also not forget that specifically in Nigeria,
cada lugar venera un orisha
every
o una
location
deidad
venerates a specific Orisha
o un santo
or a saint.
que discrepo con esa palabra,
Which
no me
I
gusta,
disagree with that. I do not agree with that idea.
puesto que es como yo seguirle el juego al colonizador, es como
Because it's the
seguirle,
way I
es
feel
como
like I'm
aplaudirle
continuing
al
to-
Papa su pleitesía cuando con ese anillo, con el anillo del Papa, se puede matar el hambre a África por 6 días.
I disagree with this idea of syncretism because I feel like it is merely a continuation of pleasing the Europeanization. It is pleasing the slave owners. It is pleasing the Pope. It is pleasing, and I disagree with it. It's like kissing the ring of the Pope.
Entonces, ya.
¿Puedes matar tu hambre de África?
With that ring, you can take out all the hunger in Africa with just that ring.
Una pregunta, y esto es más de la filosofía de la religión.
I have a question that's more about the philosophy
Lo
of the
poco
religion.
informado que estoy, pero por ahí lo leí en alguna relación sobre esta religión,
I'm minimally informed, but I have read
de que
and
muchos de
commented
los conceptos de
that many of
bien
the
y
concepts
mal
about good
que
and bad
abraza, podríamos decir el Papa, podríamos
that
decir el
perhaps we could
sistema
say the
europeo,
Pope
colonista
executes
y
the
blanco
European
eurocentista.
system,
En la ética de bien y
dividing
mal,
good and bad.
no necesariamente se aplican
It's
a
not
las
necessarily
fuerzas
applied
de esa religión africana.
to the African
Como que
religion.
si alguien hace lo que esta cultura dominante considera malo, no necesariamente es mala
Such that
en la cultura o religión yoruba. ¿Qué me podría usted
one
decir de
culture
eso?
dominating over another cannot necessarily be seen as good or bad from a Yoruba perspective.
Yo le voy a dar la respuesta si usted logra contestarme la pregunta que yo le voy a hacer.
I'm going to give you an answer to that if you can answer my question, my
If
follow-up question.
you want an answer with a question.
Pero si no, le voy a ayudar. Y esa pregunta se la voy a hacer, o sea, esa pregunta de reflexión se la voy a hacer a todos.
That question of reflection, I want to make it for everyone.
¿Cuál es el viaje más difícil, más complejo y más dolorido que puede dar un ser humano?
What is the trip or excursion that is the most complex, the most difficult that a human can take or can make?
Mi respuesta en español, no sé.
My answer in Spanish would be I don't know.
Yo sé que usted, dígame,
¿Ser avisado?
no. El viaje más difícil
The excursion or trip that is the
que
most
puede dar el
difficult
ser humano
that the human being can take
es lograr viajar a su propio mundo interior.
is to be able to travel into their own world, their internal world, their inside.
Dice
inside
Ifa.
themselves. That is what Ifa says.
Or
Self-reflection.
mila. Entonces, si uno es capaz de viajar a su propio mundo interior
So if one is capable of traveling into one's inside
de
and having
manera
self-reflection
crítica
in a way that is critical,
y reconocer
critical
esa
and
escala de
analytical,
valores de quién soy,
and be able to recognize the scale of values of who am I.
entonces podemos descodificar el mal y el bien.
And then if we can do that, then we can decode the bad from the good.
El mal es algo impuesto, es algo que está
The
aquí.
bad is something we carry in here, it's imposed.
El bien es algo impuesto, eso está
The
aquí.
good is something imposed, it's something we carry up here.
Donde Eshu
Where Eshu is,
o Eshu el Bara o
or
el Ekwa
El Ekbara, or El Ekwa,
tienen que ver con ese proceso complejo del ser humano.
has to do with that complex process of being a human.
Entonces, religión es institución, sinónimo.
So when I say religion, it's synonymous with institution.
Por tanto, la santería, desde mi punto de vista,
And from my perspective, the Santeria,
no la veo como una religión,
I do not see it as a religion,
sino como algo cultural, algo de pueblo,
but
algo
rather
que
a
es muy
culture
mezclado.
that is mixed with
Folklore, ese
folklorism,
Y-
that is of the people.
Para poder entender una religión, primero hay que entender la cultura.
In order to understand a religion, one must understand the culture that it originates in.
Entonces, no sé si le di la respuesta.
I don't know if I answered your question.
In many ways you did.
We need to take questions from other people. Could I exercise my prerogative as the chair to call on Alice and then,
And
is there
Mark
another
also had
person?
a question as well. Mark had a question.
Okay, so Alice.
No, that's
and
okay.
then-
Marta aquí.
Okay.
Renee left them. So you said you asked for some of the team, some of the groups, some of the like Celeste Mendoza.
My understanding is, and I'm not sure if it's
No,
correct,
they didn't.
that
Excuse me.
how this synchronization took place was through the Yoruba people in order to continue to practice their beliefs,
Oh.
which the slaveholders tried to suppress and oppress, that they made the synchronization with Catholicism so that they could continue to practice their beliefs. Is that correct or no?
So que vino de los practicantes.
Yo no diría que vino de los practicantes, sino que fue de cierta manera impuesta.
I wouldn't say that it really came from the practitioners or the Yoruba practitioners, that it was more imposed.
Y no pidemos Kunta Kinte
And let's not forget Kunta Kinte
y Toby.
or Domi.
Podemos olvidar que voy a retornar al principio.
what I don't want us to forget, I want us to go
Tanto
back
la
to the beginning for
santería,
a moment. The santería,
como el candomblé,
just like the candomblé
también el vudú,
or vudú,
son culturas o manifestaciones de cimarronaje, de resistencia.
are manifestations, cultural manifestations of resistance of the runaway slaves
Por tanto, como ustedes saben,
or the maroons.
cuando llegaba el esclavo de esa manera
So as
infrahumana,
you know, when the slaves arrive in that infrahuman condition,
lo primero que hacían es, tú te llamas José, tú te llamas Juan,
the first thing
así.
they would be told was, your name is Jose, your name is Juan,
Por
and so
ejemplo,
on.
Mi nombre
For example,
tradicional es Ofunshi Obakoso.
Fungio Bacoso.
Ese era el nombre de mi abuelo.
That was the name of my grandfather.
Mi nombre impuesto, y digo impuesto,
The name that was imposed on me, and I say imposed,
es Raudemar
is Raudemar.
o Raúl.
Raúl.
Y yo recuerdo que un día mi abuelo me dijo,
And I recall one day my grandfather said to me,
si quieres
if you like,
representar realmente a los ancestros,
if you really want to represent the
nosotros.
ancestors, our ancestors,
tú tienes que identificarte con nuestro nombre.
you need to
con
identify
nuestra
yourself
esencia.
with our name, our ancestral essence.
Porque una vez que yo digo mi nombre es Luis o José y defiendo ese nombre
Once I say my name is Luis or Jose and I defend that name,
sin entender la historia,
without understanding the story,
simplemente estoy dándole continuidad a ese proceso agresivo impuesto que sufrieron los esclavos.
I am merely continuing the process that was imposed, that was a process of suffering that was imposed onto the slaves.
De ahí es donde viene
And that's
que,
where,
que todos queremos ser latinos, por ejemplo. El
that's
latino
where
quiere
this
ser
idea
latino.
that everybody, that we all want to be Latino.
Y defienden esa cosa intensa de ser latino,
And we defend that intense thing that is to be Latino,
sin entender que ese lenguaje fue impuesto.
without understanding that even that language to define it was imposed.
Entonces imagínense aquel esclavo
So then imagine that slave
que logró sobrevivir
that managed to
esa
survive
gran travesía
that great journey,
llegar y decirle, a partir de ahora, tu Dios es Jesús.
and who is now at this point told, your God is Jesus.
Le recomiendo que vean la última cena.
I
Ahí se
recommend
ve
you see the Última Cena, the Last Supper,
la película,
so
la
that you
última
can see
cena.
this process.
Quieran o no, tú tienes que adorar a Jesús.
Like it or not, you will adore, you will venerate Jesus.
Tú puedes tocar tambor los fines de semana,
On the weekends, you can play the drum.
pero de manera subterránea,
But in an underground way,
ese esclavo que venía, por ejemplo, de Oyo,
that slave that came from, say for example, from Oyo,
se identificaba con Changó.
was identified with Chango, or identified himself with
O ese
Chango.
esclavo que venía, digamos, de Ife,
Or that slave who came from, let's say, Ife,
se identificaba con Orumila,
was identified himself with Orumila,
porque eso está aquí.
because that's here.
Por eso hablamos de esa resistencia.
So that's why I
Todo
speak of that resistance.
eso se mezcla entonces y surge entonces la santería Lucumí.
So with that mix, we have the development of Santeria Lucumí,
Es una mezcla de avatares
which is a combination of avatars
con una base muy ancestral,
with a very ancestral base,
muy sólida
very solid,
de supervivencia
based on resistance and survival,
y que hay que respetar.
which must be respected.
But multiple cultures from Africa.
Y recuerden que múltiples culturas de África
¿Sí? Por
se han
ahí,
sincretizado.
de Congo, o sea, Carabalí,
Congo, Carabao,
Arará,
Arará.
o sea, hay una gran mezcla de
Great mix
resistencia.
of resistance. You want to add anything?
Bueno, pues, vamos a darle la palabra a René
Let me give the word to
porque,
Renee.
porque según No, yo, está bien, después de él, yo estoy ansioso de hablar, de que hable del segundo documental.
Mark, then you, okay?
Yeah, actually, I had a question, and I just talked to Renee about it. And this is about the music film. So, and one of the questions I had is I noticed that Chapatin was listed in Septeto Nacional, and Celeste Mendoza, and two others, Elena Borg. But there was a couple of other musicians in there. They didn't even give their names. So, did you recognize some of the other people? Like the trova player, they didn't list who he was.
Mira,
There was some other musicians.
Todos los músicos que estaban en la segunda película eran músicos muy conocidos en Cuba, que marcaron una pauta musical en Cuba que se ha quedado por hasta hoy.
All the musicians you saw in the second documentary were musicians that greatly influenced Cuban music from that era all the way through today.
En las congas viste al famoso Tatahuines.
On the congas, there was a scene where you saw the famous Tatahuines.
Which clip was that?
¿Cuál fue ese?
Cuando está tocando con
Well,
el
it's kinda like
CT,
James Brown.
cuando está tocando con el grupo instrumental,
Okay.
tienes a Fran Emilio en el piano, ese blanco
Emilio
ciego.
piano, who was blind.
Él fue uno de los compositores más prolíferos de charanga moderna.
Prolific artists of the
Charanga moderna.
composers of the modern charanga.
¿Okay? Tenías a Tatahuines,
You had Tatahuines
Tatahuines, yeah.
con las uñas. Tatahuines ha sido uno de los.
with the long nails.
Yeah, Tatahuines
Tatahuines.
ha sido uno de los músicos instrumentistas,
He's been one of the
percusionistas
percussionists
más reconocidos internacionalmente
most
de Cuba.
recognized from Cuba all around the world.
Oh, I've heard of Tataguines, so
Yeah.
I have his music. I just didn't. They didn't.
Todavía hoy,
They didn't
después
credit
de
him.
Pero no
muerto,
pusieron crédito, no pusieron su nombre.
no, ok.
No. Ok, al final.
Al final. Y viste, Celeste Mendoza tampoco pusieron,
You have to think
tampoco
about the year
sabes.
the film was produced as well.
Ya, estaba Los Roncos Chiquitos,
Los Roncos
Carlos
Chiquitos.
Embales. Los Roncos Chiquitos fue un grupo de
Rumba.
rumba cubana, tú sabes, eran cantantes mujeres y dos hombres
Which were
que
mostly
acompañaban
female singers
a
with
Carlos
jazz.
Embales. Carlos Embales es uno de los soneros más grandes que ha dado Cuba.
Soneros.
So he was in the scene with Celeste
Oíste,
Mendoza.
Celeste Mendoza,
That was Carlos Embales.
Carlos Embales, Carlos Embales y Los Roncos Chiquitos. Ok, tenías el Septeto Nacional de Ignacio Piñeiro. Y Chapotín no es de Septeto, Chapotín,
Sextet.
ya, Chapotín no era de Ignacio Piñeiro. Chapotín tenía su grupo,
Chapotín had his own group.
ya. Y viste a Miguelito Cuní,
You saw Miguelito Cuní,
que era el cantante principal,
who was the principal singer.
ya, Miguelito Cuní. Otro sonero conocidísimo en Cuba todavía hoy. Sus canciones se siguen tocando en todas las partes del mundo. Y
And many of the musicians you saw there, of course, some of them are still playing throughout the world.
yo quiero presentarle a alguien aquí muy importante para mí.
I want to present to you somebody who's very important to me,
Hace poco llegó a Estados Unidos
who arrived just a short while ago to the United States.
desde Cuba uno de mis compañeros, uno de los bailarines top dancers
One of the top dancers
en Cuba,
from Cuba,
específicamente de Matanza, de la ciudad de Matanza,
specifically from the city of Matanzas.
que está viajando a Estados Unidos desde 1996 con los muñequitos de
Been
Matanza.
traveling to the United States since 1996 with the Muñequitos de Matanzas.
Y en todas partes del mundo, tremendo rumbero.
He's traveled all around the world. He's a fabulous rumbero.
If you see, he's black.
He's black.
En Santero
And he's santero.
también. Pues los él era un niñito cuando yo
He was just a
bailaba
child when I used to dance.
con los que después fueron sus profesores
He was just a child when I used to dance with those who became his professors.
en su casa o en la
In
casa de
his
su
house,
abuela
or the house of his grandmother, actually.
con la Celeste Mendoza,
With Celeste Mendoza,
con Celia Cruz,
with Celia Cruz,
con la Sonora Matancera.
Sonora Matancera.
Yo tuve el honor de bailar
I had the honor of dancing.
en el Pescadito, un famoso cabaret nightclub
Pescadito, which is a famous cabaret nightclub
en Matanza,
in Matanzas.
con esos artistas que viste en
With
la...
those artists, many of which you saw in the film.
Casi 26 años después,
About 26 years later,
él tuvo el honor de bailar la última
he had the honor of dancing the last
de las homenaje a Celeste Mendoza
to Celeste Mendoza,
a week after she died.
a week after she died.
So it was really emotional for us to see the before and after. In me and him, you know, I danced with her when she was young, you know, and also Gloria Rivera, que es la hija de uno de los
And they have
más
Gloria Rivera here, who was the daughter of
uno de los más famosos músicos cubanos negros,
one of the most famous black Cuban musicians,
guitarrista, cantante, compositor,
musical composer, singer,
el Niño
guitarist,
Rivera,
named El Niño Rivera.
dice Gloria Rivera.
That's
Que yo tuve el
Gloria Rivera,
honor,
his daughter.
de
And I had the honor of
de bailar mucha de su música con él tocando detrás de mí, con ella
I
en los
had the
escenarios de
opportunity
Cuba.
to dance many of the songs of El Niño Rivera with him playing at the same time.
So, cuando nos unimos los tres y vimos el documental,
So for the three of us to see the documentary,
para el tiempo de nosotros,
for our time,
cuando eran jóvenes, y para el tiempo de él ya en los últimos días,
so in our time when they were young, and in his time when they were in their last days,
fue bien mucho, muy bueno.
it's very good.
Yeah.
Could we hear from the two members of the audience, and then maybe Gloria or Chini would like to comment on
But-
Para eso lo presenté para que hable.
Let's hear these two questions and then see. I've been unfamiliar with Santeria,
Yo tengo poco conocimiento de la
and so I have a very naive
Así que
question.
tengo una pregunta muy de mi punto de vista de conocimiento.
From what I gathered in the film, there are different saints and different people possessed by different elixirs or saints.
Lo que entiendo de la película es que diferentes tipos de santos y diferentes personas se poseen en los seres, son tomadas por diferentes tipos de orishas.
And I'm wondering if the different saints have different characteristics. So,
Entonces,
for
los santos
example,
diferentes tienen diferentes tipos de características.
if I'm possessed by one saint, would I take a different
Estaría manifestando
characteristics
diferentes tipos de características o sería, ¿cuáles serían las implicaciones?
versus if I were possessed by a different saint?
Si yo estuviese manifestando otro tipo de origen, ¿cuáles serían las características de los sucesores?
Voy a responder de manera de síntesis y también darle oportunidad a René y a Chini.
Yo voy a responder, I'm going to respond in a brief manner, and I want to open up the floor as well to René and Chini.
También por allá tenemos dos sacerdotes, sacerdotes no, voy a rectificar nuevamente, dos babalaos,
We also have here in the house as well two
puesto
babalaos.
que sacerdote viene del catolicismo también. Y no es que yo esté en contra del catolicismo, simplemente es que estoy tratando de rectificar un poco, colaborando en rectificar la historia.
What I'm trying to do is break from this idea of calling someone a priest, because a priest is a term, it's a Catholic term. It's not a term that is ours, that is practiced in
Entonces tenemos dos sacerdotes
So we have two
dos
babalaos
babalaos allá que también pueden aportar,
who can also offer their input,
puesto que Ifá es grande
given that Ifa is very large,
y la vida de los orishas también es muy grande.
and so is the life of the orishas.
Usted lo ha dicho, cada orisha o deidad tiene su característica.
You are correct. Every orisha, every deity has its own characteristics.
Por ejemplo, si una persona tiene un trance por el gran rey Shango,
So for example, if one person is possessed or is entranced by the great king Shango,
sus características tiene que ver, va a ser con el elemento fuego.
The characteristics that they demonstrate will have to do with the element of fire.
Muy varonil,
Will be very masculine,
donde se mezcla esa belleza
where you will see a mix of
de los tambores, de la música,
the music, or the manifestation towards music,
mujeriego,
mujeriego, womanizer.
pero no olvidemos que fue el tercer alafín de Oyo,
But we cannot forget that he is the third Alafin of Oyo
en Nigeria,
in Nigeria.
real, fue real,
This is real.
donde si una persona tiene trance de Oshun,
Where, for example, if a person is possessed by or is entranced by Ochun,
esposa de Shango,
the wife of Chango,
y que en la época que fue alafín,
and in the era of
De Oyo.
Alafin of Oyo,
fue por ser esposa de Shango, tanto Ochun como Oya
for being the wife of Chango, so
Fueron-
much Ochun as Oya,
fueron deificadas también.
They were-
Pasaron a Orisha.
they passed to become Orishas.
Entonces, claro que la característica va a ser idéntica o parecida al Orisha.
So their
That's right, yeah.
characteristics will be similar to those Orishas.
Pero ese trance es muy África
But
pura.
that trance, most of it is all Africa. Pure
Porque
Africa.
cuando hay un trance, la persona pasa a otra latitud.
When you entrance, or when one person becomes entranced or possessed, they elevate to another place, another
Y-
latitude.
La persona, el poder de sabiduría, de conocimiento, pasa a otra latitud
And the place of wisdom that that person has at the time passes to that other latitude as
que
well,
permite a esa persona
which allows that individual,
o tiene el poder
or gives them the power to,
o la capacidad
or the
que
capacity
llaman,
to, whatever you want to call it,
de poder sanar
to be able to heal,
a
for
cualquier
example,
persona que está alrededor con
anyone who may be
un
around
malestar, con un problema,
that may have some sort of a problem or an ailment,
autosanarse
may be able to self-heal,
y hacerle una radiografía de la vida de esa persona.
and may be able to give a, what we call a radiograph or a curriculum of your life.
Pienso que me gustaría pasarle la palabra a
I would like
ellos,
to
a
pass the
René,
word to them, to Renee,
a Chichi, también a... ¿Cómo te llamas?
Odura May.
A Ostura May, a Babá por allá también. O sea, hay personas que pueden responder también o argumentar un poquito más que yo.
and I would like to pass the word so that other people can give their own opinions and make arguments, and we can have a discussion beyond just what I have to say.
Retornando al principio, esto es,
Returning to the
no es un
beginning.
debate, es un diálogo entre familias.
This
Entonces
is
todos
not a debate,
podemos,
it's a
todos podemos
dialogue
aportar.
amongst family. So I'd like us all to be able to give our opinion.
Bueno, yo quiero decir algo
I do want to say something,
que es muy importante para que vayan entendiendo
which I think is important for you to begin to understand.
como decimos, las distintas religiones.
So as we say, to understand the different religions.
Para mí, estudié danza, pero dentro del concepto de la danza tengo que trabajar un teórico.
I studied dance, but as a part of studying dance, I had to take on a theoretical, intellectual
Con respecto
research,
a distintos tipos de cultura a nivel internacional.
especially with respect to culture on an international level.
Y voy a decir algo que quiero que tengan bien presente. Todos somos seres humanos.
And I want to say something to keep very present. We're all human beings.
Salimos de la tierra
We came from the earth,
y paramos en la tierra.
and we go back to the earth.
¿Ok? Ahora,
Now,
con respecto a las otras religiones, que para mí es una,
with respect to other religions, which for me is all one,
con diferentes culturas,
with
con
big,
diferentes
different
folclore.
cultures, different folklores.
Ahorita estaban hablando del vudú.
Now, just now we were talking about voodoo.
Voy a poner un ejemplo para que entiendan algunas cosas.
I'm going to use an example so that you can understand what I'm trying to say.
En la cultura yoruba,
In the Yoruba culture,
El niño Atoche es el Eguá.
The child of Atocha or son
Ahora me voy a la
is
cultura del vudú.
¿Cómo fue la otra parte?
En la cultura del vudú,
In the voodoo culture, or in voodoo,
el Eguá es el mismo Orisha, pero con otro nombre,
el Egua is the same Orisha, same characteristics, but with a different name,
que se llama Idarike.
which is called Idarike.
En el Arará
In the Arara religion,
es el mismo el Eguá,
it's the same El Egua,
pero cambia el nombre y se llama Afra.
but it's called Afra.
En Palo y así sucesivamente. Quiero que vayan entendiendo esto, porque es muy importante.
This is very
Es muy
important that you
importante que
understand,
ustedes entiendan eso, que es la misma explicación que estaban dando los
which is the
maestros.
same explanation that these masters were giving
Pero
us.
para el que no entendió de una forma, yo se la puedo explicar de esta forma.
So sometimes when you don't understand it in one way, you understand it in a different way.
¿Me entiendes? Otra cosa,
Another thing,
el folclore es uno,
folklore is one,
a nivel en todos los países del continente.
and all the
En
countries,
todos los países
all
del
the
universo.
continents, it is one.
Folclore son las costumbres.
Folklore is the customs.
Es muy importante. Si estamos hablando de vudú,
It's very important if we're talking about voodoo, for example,
es folclore.
it's folklore.
Estamos hablando de Yoruba,
If we're talking about
es
Yoruba,
folclore.
it's folklore.
Es muy importante que sepan esto. ¿Por qué?
It's clear that we define these terms and are be aware of them,
Porque todo este folclore viene del continente africano,
because all of this folklore comes from the African continent.
pero al llegar a nuestro continente fueron repartidos en distintos barracones.
But as it arrived to the different continents, it was dispersed
Y cada
throughout
barracón
different points.
creó su propia cultura.
And every
En este
location
entonces
develops
es el
its own
folclore.
culture, which then has its own folklore.
El africano que llegó a Haití creó una cultura,
The
su
African
folclore
that arrived in Haiti
dominada como vudú.
developed their own culture,
En
which
Cuba
within was
se fueron
raised
regando,
voodoo.
en Cuba se fue regando por distintas zonas de nuestro país,
In
y es
Cuba,
que-
there was different areas of the country,
y es que van naciendo las distintas tierras como Yorubá, Arará,
where there was
Palo
different
Hongo.
combinations of Arara, Yoruba.
¿Entiendes? Es un ejemplo para que más o menos sepan más o menos las
It's an
cosas
example so that you can get an idea
sobre lo que es la palabra folclore.
about what we're talking about when we say folklore.
¿Ok? Y sin más preámbulo, le paso la palabra aquí
And
a los
I
maestros.
want to pass on the
Olugo.
word now to the masters over here, or
Un fuerte aplauso para ellos. Están,
please a round of applause
trabajan
to
en la
them as well.
universidad.
They're also here.
Están haciendo unas encuestas sobre lo que son los distintos tipos de cultura. Maestro, esta es la palabra.
No,
¿Qué tú pensabas? ¿Que no?
muchas gracias por ser parte
Ven hasta aquí, doctor.
de la película. No, simplemente agradecer.
I just want to say thank you.
Es difícil manejar muchísimos conceptos que se han citado aquí.
It's difficult to manage many of the concepts that have been brought forth here today.
El concepto, por ejemplo, del folclore,
The concept of folklore,
del sincretismo,
the concept of syncretism,
de la originalidad,
of the originality or origins
de nuestras prácticas religiosas.
of our practices or religious practices.
Es importante que para IFA
It is important that for Ifa,
el respeto entre todos los seres humanos
the respect in between all human beings
y todas las fe
and all the faiths,
es un arma
that is a weapon,
y es el alma
and it is at the same time the spirit, the soul,
para la tolerancia,
for the tolerance,
para el amor
for love,
y para la perdurabilidad de nuestra especie humana.
and for the durability and maintenance of our human race.
Estamos próximos a partir de la pregunta de la
Based on this question that you've made,
es muy complicado
it's very
porque parte
complicated
de un proceso de ceremonia
because part of the process of ceremonies,
para reconocerle cuál es su alaleyo.
in order to recognize which is one's
Alaleyo.
alaleyo,
Alaleyo significa
which signifies,
y es necesario aquí traer a colación el español.
a pesar de que no nos gustan los términos cristianos, no es que no nos
We may
gustan,
not
es
like
que
the
no le
Christian
gustan.
terms, but we have to sometimes define some terms.
Aladeo significa el ángel de la guardia,
That means the angel that is your guardian.
es decir, la energía tutelar, la energía principal de
The
la
principal
persona.
energy of that person.
Porque los yorubas y los
Because
orichas
the Yoruba and the
no son
Orishas
más que energías,
are nothing more than energy.
energías de la naturaleza,
Energy that comes from nature,
energía, por supuesto, de la tierra
energy that comes from the earth,
y energía cósmica.
and cosmic energy.
Las civilizaciones de Inife, la civilización yoruba,
The Yoruba civilization
pues, ha personificado estas energías
has personified these energies.
y nosotros los cubanos
And we, the Cubans,
hemos sentido y tenido el privilegio,
we've had the ability and had the privilege,
a pesar de lo triste que fue este privilegio, por
despite
la
how
esclavitud,
sad acquiring that privilege was due to its roots in slavery,
de heredar
to inherit
una de las culturas más sabias
one of the wisest cultures
en la historia de nuestra raza.
in the history of the human race.
Podemos decir, sin temor,
Well, we can say without fear
que
of being
todo el
wrong,
conocimiento de la humanidad conocido
that all the wisdom and knowledge
y aún no conocido
that we know of and that we don't know of
está en las escrituras.
is in the writings of Ifa.
Y por lo que decía es un poco complicado y se necesita un poco de atrás.
And I was saying it's a little bit complex and sometimes we need a little bit of
Muchísimas gracias y una
Thank you very much.
no, Vivo quiere decir algunas palabras.
Papá, ¿cómo se llama?
Papá?
O sobre es Ariel Aguilar.
En primer lugar, agradecerle a los que organizaron esta actividad.
I want to thank those that organized this event.
Bien complacido por haber tenido la gentileza de invitarnos.
I'm very thankful for that having the
Somos
generosity of
profesores
inviting
de
us.
la Universidad de La Habana,
We are professors from the University of Havana,
sociólogos,
sociologists.
y nuestro objetivo fundamental aquí es una estancia de intercambio con la Universidad de San Tomás,
Primary objective of being here is we're in an exchange with the University of St. Thomas
con el objetivo de incrementar las relaciones entre ambas universidades, Universidad de La Habana y Universidad de San Tomás,
with the goal of increasing ties between the University of Havana and the University of St.
y
Thomas.
al mismo tiempo tratar de recuperar el conocimiento
And at the same time to recuperate the knowledge
sobre los aportes de la comunidad cubana a este estado.
about the knowledge about the influence of Cubans in this state.
Porque es fácil entender a los cubanos en Miami.
Because it's very easy to understand Cubans in Miami.
El mismo clima,
The weather,
la misma música,
music,
el mismo ron,
the same
el
rum,
mismo tabaco,
the same
la
tobacco,
misma comida.
same food.
Pero los cubanos en Minnesota
But the
están locos.
Cubans in Minnesota, they're local.
El frío,
The cold.
y el otro elemento,
And the other element,
los avalados cubanos, consagrados en el IFA cubano,
Babalao, Cuban Babalao, consecrated in the faith,
en el
Ifa.
IFA cubano,
Cuban Ifa,
que ha tenido la fortaleza o la posibilidad de expandirse por América,
who has had the opportunity to expand throughout the
expandirse por el
Americas.
mundo cuando el IFA africano ya había estado en decadencia,
When even the Ifa from Africa was in decadence.
cuando ya nadie se acordaba prácticamente del IFA Yoruba, de los Yoruba,
Most barely remembered the
la
Yoruba
presencia del
Ifa.
IFA cubano
The presence of the
de
Ifa,
nuevo
Cuban
en América
Ifa in the New World
provocó que el rey de Ileife fuera a Cuba,
provoked that the king of Ileife go to
que
Cuba.
muchos reyes africanos fueran a
That many
Cuba
kings of Africa go to
y
Cuba.
reconocieran
And that
que
they
el IFA
recognize
cubano fue una
the Cuban
extensión,
IFA
expansión y mantenimiento del IFA Yoruba,
As the
y
expansion and
desarrollo
maintenance
del
of
IFA Yoruba.
the Yoruba.
Y
a recogerse.
Por lo tanto, es importante,
So for
a
that is
nuestro
important.
juicio, recuperar esos valores
To
y
recuperate
como
those
dice
values.
IFA,
And as Ifa says,
en IFA están todas las religiones,
in Ifa are all the religions,
a todo el respeto a la humanidad.
are all the respect to
Entonces,
humanity.
para mí personalmente
So
sería
for me
un
personally,
irrespeto
It would be
a
a
mis
lack of
ancestros,
respect
volver o tratar de volver a mis raíces africanas.
to return to
Yo
my
soy
African
Ariel
roots.
Aguilar Reyes,
I am Ariel Arad Reyes,
hijo de negros, esclavos y blancos
son
españoles,
of
y vivo
blacks, white
orgulloso de
slaves,
eso.
and I live proud of that,
Y viviré orgulloso de eso.
And I will
Y eso es
continue
lo que
living proud
transmitimos
of
en el IFA.
and continue transmitting Ifa.
Gracias nuevamente, un
Thank
placer,
you
un orgullo
again, pleased
tener
and
esta
humbled to be
oportunidad
here.
de compartir con ustedes en el mes de
Thankful to
abril.
share with you.
A todos los cubanos, si quieren ayudarnos a trabajar en este proyecto, queremos hacer un
Any of the
libro
Cubans, if you want to
de
help us work on
aporte
this
de los
project, we're
cubanos
trying to
en
work on a
Minnesota, un
book that
documental
dedicates itself to looking at Cubans in Minnesota.
que han aportado los cubanos,
What have they brought? What have Cubans
han
brought to
aportado
Minnesota?
la danza,
They've
han
brought the
aportado
dance.
en la pintura,
They
han
have
aportado en
brought
la
paintings,
literatura,
visual arts,
han aportado en el
literature,
deporte. Y
sports.
se siente muy orgulloso además de ser cubano
And one is always very
y,
proud to be
y
Cuban.
sobre todo de tratar de ayudar
And
a este
especially
país que lo acogió y este
helping
estado
this
que le abrió las
country
puertas de su mano y de su corazón. Muchas gracias.
Open their hands and their hearts, and their arms and their hearts.
Primera pregunta. You have a question?
Yeah. The question, first of all, I'd like to thank whoever decided to pair the two movies. A lot of interesting connections that are hard to see at first. I'm still thinking through the connections between the two movies. And what I wanted to direct more towards Renee and or others, the dances that were portrayed in the second movie. Was it all spontaneous, or was there an order of presentation of the dance, the different dance forms? Can you help us put that into context? And noting, I think this was filmed around 1966, is that correct? There was a huge amount of development of dance that came afterwards. So if you could say a little bit about the different dances that were shown, and what was about to happen, and what things might not have been shown because of governmental policies. The Cuban government initially, Fidel thought salsa was imperial. So, things like that.
Okay.
Gracias.
Lo que no se mostró en el documental debido a la...
Ok, primero que todo, no hay un orden cronológico en los shows que viste de la película.
First of all, there's no chronological order in the dances that you saw in the film.
No es que Son Montuno vino primero y la rumba después,
It's not that Son Montuno came first and Rumba came
aunque la
second.
película empieza con Son Montuno, la rumba fue primero.
Even though the film opens with Son Montuno, Rumba came first.
Yeah.
Came earlier.
So, no hay un orden.
So there isn't a specific order.
Hay que partir que la película se filmó en 1964,
The film was made in 1964,
un año después que se crió el ICAI.
1 year after the ICAI was formed, the Cuban Institute for Cinematographic Art and Industry.
Por primera vez en la
So
Cuba
for the first
revolucionaria
time in revolutionary Cuba,
se empieza a filmar
we begin to see filming
la realidad del pueblo cubano.
of the Cuban reality.
Por primera vez se pone en cinta
For the first time it's recorded on video,
las religiones,
some of the religions or the religious dances.
los bailes religiosos del Conjunto Folclórico Nacional que se
Folklore
creó.
Conjunto, so the first time that we see them on videotape being
Se-
filmed by Cuban, a Cuban Institute, not,
Y fueron presentando las diversas partes de Cuba.
and they were presenting the different parts of Cuba, the diverse aspects
Contrario-
regionally, geographically
Ya,
of Cuba.
contrario al resto de las otras cinematografías cubanas
Contrary to many of the
que
other
se enfocan en La
cinematographic
Habana
works that only focus on Havana,
por la belleza de la
many of them
capital,
because of the beauty of the capital.
esta película se fue a la par al centro de Cuba,
This film really went into the deep depths of Cuba,
tú sabes, donde estaba el grueso macizo de
where the
las
massive, the
raíces
thickness of some of
negras, si se
the
fijan,
black or the dark
Si se fijan, la mayoría de las presentaciones eran negras.
The
Eran
majority of
negros.
the presenters or dancers that you might have noticed were black.
Okay, esa era la verdad cubana que
That was the
antes,
Cuban reality.
que antes de la revolución se escondía.
That previous to the Cuban Revolution was hidden. It was not brought to light.
Después se
It was
empezó a
not in front of
enseñar
the
el
cameras.
negro.
And
Porque
then
la
it was after the
verdad,
revolution that we began to see the black in front of the camera.
la verdad es que la
Dance.
música, la riqueza de la música cubana
The reality is that the beauty of
viene
the
del negro
Cuban music
africano.
comes from the African Cuban.
La belleza de la
Black African.
pintura cubana
The beauty of the Cuban arts, visual
está
arts,
inspirada en el sufrimiento y en la alegría del negro cubano.
comes from the happiness and the suffering of the black Cuban.
La comida, la sabrosura de la comida cubana tiene un toque negro.
The taste, the great taste of the Cuban food comes from that black touch.
La belleza femenina de Cuba
The beauty of, feminine beauty of Cuba
tiene un 90% de
has a
negro.
90% of black.
So,
origin.
lo bueno de esta película es que te presenta,
The good thing about the documentary is that
es
it
que te
presents you
presenta la realidad, la verdad de lo que hacíamos nosotros
the
en
very
Cuba.
real dances that we did in Cuba.
Tú sabes, de dónde venía la riqueza de la sabrosura de la música cubana que es conocida en el mundo entero,
Where that came from, that Cuban music that's known throughout the world.
que antes se veía en la cara de los blancos,
That before you would only see it at the face of the whites.
pero Bola de Nieve era negro, y el negro
But
de
Snowball, Bola de Nieve, Snowball is black.
Celeste Mendoza,
Celeste
todos,
Mendoza,
todos,
everybody.
Benny Moré,
Benny Moré,
Chano Pozo,
Chano Pozo,
todos los grandes,
greats.
eran negros,
were
pero no
black.
se oía mucho
But the films didn't
antes.
show this. They didn't show that color. So this film did propose something new from the guy proposing the real color of the dance.
Ves baile de pareja, son montuno en la
You see that son
playa.
montuno in front of the ocean?
Cuba es una isla.
Cuba's an island.
Esa danza representa para mí,
That dance for me represents
tú sabes, la sabrosura del mar rodeando mi tierra.
the savor
¿Cómo?
of the ocean and the land
Cómo
dancing with each other.
la música y el baile se conecta
How the music and the dance connect.
con el mar donde se creó por primera vez la vida.
In the ocean, where life was created, the origins of life was at.
You know, la vida del mar, la música
The
y la
light, the
danza,
ocean, the music, the dance.
eso es Cuba.
That's Cuba.
That's Cuba.
We need to hear from a cubana. Today is International Women's
Es
Day.
el día de la mujer.
Ahí está.
Queríamos oír de una mujer.
Thank you. Dile que todos los hombres han hablado, yo no he podido hablar.
All men have
Estoy en el
spoken.
team de la ciudad de la mujer.
Well, she gets the last word.
Bueno, por lo menos yo tenía un crédito ahorita. Te
La-
reconocimos.
Bueno, que estoy muy contenta de cada año del Festival de Cine.
I'm really happy that I want to look at these past years of having the Cuban Film Festival as well, and I'm very happy and proud to have this film festival over these past years.
Ya, y que para mí es como dar un viaje al pasado,
And today was kind of like taking a journey into the past,
sobre todo las películas que se
and especially the films from the one film from today,
porque me recuerda a mi niñez,
because it reminds me of my childhood.
en mi casa con mis padres que eran
In my home with
músicos,
my parents who were musicians.
ya, y las encantas de Cuba con los patagüines, con el Aburto, Maramundo,
Some of the musical just reunions that we would have with many of these characters that were in the film. They would be at my home and they would play the music. It was spontaneous.
porque tuve la oportunidad cuando estaba chiquita de verlos a todos en mi casa todos los domingos.
And when I was little, every Sunday, many of the people you saw in the film were in my home.
Que tocaban con mi papá y con mi mamá.
And they would play with my mother or with my father.
Y que entonces ahora me siento muy contenta y que
So I'm really happy, I'm very proud.
ya y que nos vemos el próximo año.
I'll be back next year for the next film festival.
And thank you everybody for coming.
I just have a follow-up comment to that.
Tengo un comentario, darle seguimiento a eso.
I've actually posted on various websites occasionally that we have like a Cuban music a Cuban movie festival here, and that we often get Cuban salsa movies or Cuban dance movies. And I get people who from Sweden, from South America, from London, from Europe, other parts of the US that are really jealous how good we have it. Now, I know everybody in this room knows how good we have it. Yeah. But I mean, I don't even think everybody in the theater knew how good we have it, that we can get these films. Because you can't get them. You can't just rent them at Netflix. They don't exist. You can't just get those films. So I think people should recognize how great it is that we have these films.
Maybe Anya could say something about the connection with the kayak and how these films were obtained.
Well, certainly in the past 2 years of the film festival, the first year, 2010, Greg Clavey and I were in Cuba. We did a lot of looking, a lot of hunting, and we began direct relationships with ICAI, with the Film Institute, which I think was actually established in March of 1959, like that quickly. And then this year, though, what we did since the last trip that I took to Cuba, and Carla was on it, and some other people, we spent a lot of time talking with people at ICAI, at the Film Institute, also at the International School of Film and Television, and Alicia was there too. And so this year, and we sort of, there's been constant communication. So this program, at first, ICAI sent us a possibility because we really didn't co-curate with ICAI, and really looked at it, and thought certain things would be really great for here, for Minnesota. Other things would work as well, and we would draw with and we just kept going with the program. And then, for instance, Alaba, we went through the film school, connected us to something called the Cuban Media Initiative, which is a whole other thing, and they're connected to a lot of the work that happens in the East, in the Sierra Maestra and Santiago. But we got Alaba through the Cuban Media Initiative. But we're just in tremendous contact with ICAI. And also because of that this year, we said, what do you need? That's why there's this real push for, we are really in need of getting, your used laptops. We're looking at possibly also flash drives and the portable hard drives and things like that. Because the filmmakers, there's all these young filmmakers, there's tremendous stuff. They need it. They also need film restoration, and there's possibilities that we're going to be able to help with that from institutions here. But the thing is, that there's so much going on there. There's about, I don't know how many film festivals there are there, but there's documentary, there's children's film, there's animation. We're the group I'm going with in April, we're going to an international festival of, as they say, core cinema or alternative or whatever cinema. So it's just, I mean, you know, we know music and dance, that's the first thing people think of when they think of Cuba. But let me tell you, around every corner there's also a film, and they're tremendous. What is going on is absolutely tremendous. So we really thank you for coming. This was kind of suspected, but we're happy to bring these to you, and we really, because you know we can't pay you. We can't just write a check. So this is why it's this roundabout process to give something back to Cuba, who has they've continued to develop, not just have a culture, but to continue to develop a culture, continually growing, continually changing. It's not a static place at all. And so, you know, we want to know, we get so much from Cuba, and we're so lucky to have so many people there. But we want to also think about how to get back to Cuba.
I just want to add something about what he says. I also put was that this festival in my wall, Facebook, and I got Cuban friends from San Francisco, LA, not in New York, South Atlanta. They get back to me and say, how is it possible that nobody knows Minnesota, and you have a Cuban festival, film festival there, and then here in LA, we don't have a Cuban festival. In Atlanta, we don't have Cuban festival. So we are so proud and really thankful to the Cuban committee who put all this together to have a Cuban Film Festival here, because what is really important for me as a Cuban is to spread the word about my culture and the reality and the truth about my country, and not the myth about Castro and communism, because every time that you say Cuba, the first thing you show up is all the misinformation and all that turn around about communism and Castro and everything. Come on, Cuba is more than revolution. Cuba is about culture, Cuba is about music, dance, passion. We are, I mean, I'm not a politician. I wasn't there. I'm an American citizen here. I'm not a politician here either. You know, I use my right to vote, so what I believe is better, but I'm not a politician, I'm a musician. So it's time for Americans stop to think in Cuba like just the communism, the fights against the United States and government things. Cuba is a little more than that. We are just soul and love. Entonces, I think that we have to work, all of us who are here, a little more tight, a little more together, to spread the word about this festival. You know, it's kind of, for me, I'm talking for me, it's kind of a little sad for me to see such a treasure of movies, you know, on the screen, and when I look in the theater, wasn't full. I was expecting to see a full. It's not about flyers or about, it's about the knowledge. If we can talk a little bit more about the Cuban reality. If we get every single opportunity to talk a little more about the truth, the Cuban reality, we're going to wake up the people's curiosity for Cuba. Maybe we have more people sit down in the movie theater, you know, later to see more.
Could the movies ever run like for a month? You know, or
some
a week?
Of the movie, listen, some of the movie have to go back to the originals, you know, so we can expect to have the festival running for a month or for 2 weeks, because there is so many things, you know, involved in that. This is a big sacrifice. So it's now and now. We have to, if we want to support Cuba, we have to do it now. If we want to support the film festival and everything who has to do with filmmakers, you know, it's now. Not next week or next month, it's now. So get home and call your friends and tell them, hey man, you're missing really good Cuban. You know, I cancel my classes. You are my students. And you know how I'm my class, and I cancel it. This is more important for me than the money that I'm going to make in the studio.
Does everyone know what next week is? It's going to be a phenomenal film.
Let's start to talk about that. Tell everyone I'm going to pay you instead to pay me for the classes. And tell everyone, you know.
I just want to say one thing too, because we have so many people in public cities who are interested. Well, I just want to see the dance. You know, but if you just see the dance,
you don't understand it.
Yeah. Or else they just want to see this particular part of the reality, that particular. Well, and there's a film coming, Casa Vieja, Old House, which is about a family, and absolutely everything. It's sort of about everything, you know, and it's got issues. You know, everyone's particular issues. It's got so many issues in it. So all I can say is that we have only 6 weeks, but part of what we've tried to do as well with the shorts that we brought is to give you as much of the spectrum of what Cuba is about on as many levels as we can. And of course, it's just a speck.
Everything in Cuba is connected. If you see the drama in Cuba, the drama, they accentuate the drama with the music in the radio, talking about killing, death, and this and that. It's about music, dance, drama, you know, and then when you are in such a depression and sadness, you appeal to your faith and go to the Santeria. So everything is connected. You come to the Santeria movie and you're going to see dance and music and drama and tears and joy. If you're going to see the drama, you're going to get dance, music, Santeria. If you're going to see the scientific discovery, you know, like the new vaccine for HIV, the Santeria is involved in it, and the music involved in it, and there's dance in there too. So everybody comes to see the Cuban movie. You're going to get a little piece of everything.
Don't forget the Cuban vibe.
Quiero antes de terminar, antes de irnos todos,
Before we resume and everyone walks away,
propone, si
I
hay
would like to
posibilidad,
propose, if there's possibility,
que el próximo festival,
that the next festival,
ya que tenemos la dicha de tener a Gloria
since
Rivera,
we have the opportunity to have Gloria Rivera here with us,
la hija del Niño Rivera,
the daughter of the Niño Rivera,
dedicar el próximo festival de cine,
dedicate the next, potentially
Gloria,
film, or dedicate the next
o sea,
event,
dedicar el próximo festival de cine, hacer un homenaje al
to do
Niño
a
Rivera.
homage to el Niño Rivera.
No hay posibilidad.
There's possibilities.
El próximo festival es un festival de cine. Entonces sería bueno negociar con ICA y no sé.
Okay, I'm gonna make a promise. Yo les prometo hacer una coreografía con la música de jamaiquino de Niño Rivera.
And I would do a choreography. Oh, he already translated himself.
No, yo lo dije en español.
Lo dijiste en español. Okay, sometimes I don't know the language. And the information arrived. And he will donate a choreography to the song El Jamaiquino, which is the most famous song that her father composed.
Para el próximo festival, así
The next festival.
¿Ya?
Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Thank you so much.